Get ready for an extraordinary journey through the world of science. Introducing the Science Spectacular Week, a 5-day extravaganza like no other. From October 16th to 20th, 2023, at the captivating Regional Science Center, Warangal. Calling all budding scientists from class 5th to 10th, this is your moment to shine. Participate in thrilling painting and quiz competitions and stand a chance to win certificates and exciting prizes. Join us at the state-of-the-art Regional Science Center in Warangal, where wonder meets knowledge. Starting at 10 a.m. sharp, each day promises a world of discovery, fun, and inspiration, concluding at 1 p.m. Ready to embark on this incredible journey with us? Simply scan this QR code to register and participate. Don't miss out on this chance to fuel your curiosity and passion for science. Mark your calendar for the Science Spectacular Week, where young minds meet limitless possibilities. See you there.